create as many self-sufficient branches as I can. What does it mean, self-sufficient? It means they can promote their services on their own, they can deliver the services on their own. There is a question, does it really make sense to open remote branches, remote some franchise and something? Because there are different ways how to expand your business. Sometimes you can just grow your main company and make it bigger. Sometimes you think, okay, let's open as many branches as we can. Let me tell you one thing, because it's my experience. 12 years ago, I started my own international consulting company, and from the very beginning, I thought, okay, I need to create as many self-sufficient branches as I can. What does it mean, self-sufficient? It means they can promote their services on their own, they can deliver the services on their own. But you know, it was 12 years ago. This world changed a lot for the last 10 years. And now I have absolutely different approach. Now I try to concentrate all the knowledge, the most expensive and most complicated business processes in one company, in one location. And yes, I open branches, but only to deliver our consulting projects. So they don't promote, they don't sell. All their business processes very simplified. They are simplified because you know what happens with marketing now? 12 or 15 or 20 years ago, it was not a challenge to have some promotional activity in some local branch in some city and even to keep salespeople in this branch. Now it's almost impossible because all these business processes, promotion and sales, they become more and more complicated. For example, now to run our sales activity, we need to have very professional sales managers. We need to have people who teach our salespeople how to sell, to correct them, to control them. So it becomes complicated. I even don't say a word about internet promotion, digital marketing. It becomes more and more complicated. I believe you know it. And this is why I think, yes. So my answer, yes, you can open your branches. It's great. It works well. If these business processes of these branches are very simple, if you can centralize and unite all the most complicated business processes in your main central company, and in this case, yes, it makes sense to open branches and this strategy can work. But if you think that they will be self-sufficient, no, this strategy doesn't work, not anymore.